Hi friends, I'm Kavita. This channel is all about cooking traditional Indian recipes for my American and Western friends with locally available ingredients. Today, I would like to show you one of my favorite chicken recipe. This is perfect for my Western friends who love to have a spicy treat. You can reduce the spice by reducing the dry red peppers. This chicken recipe can be made easily and quickly with less ingredients. Let's check out the ingredients to prepare this dish. Dry red peppers 8 to 10 counts as per your spice level. Cut them into small pieces and remove the seeds. Garlic 10 cloves cut into small pieces. Mustard seeds quarter teaspoon. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Salt as required. Sesame oil. You can get this in Walmart, Target and Wegmans. 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. Shallots 150 grams or 12 to 15 numbers, cut in lengthwise. Chicken 1 lb. I have taken boneless, skinless cut into very small piece, something like this. But you can use even with bones in. Fresh cilantro few to sprinkle. Heat a pan and add sesame oil to it. Maintain the stove in medium flame till the end of the cooking. Add mustard seeds and wait till it cracks. After it cracks, add dry red peppers and allow it to fry for few seconds until color changes dark. Now add cut garlic, fry till it's bit soft. Keep stirring it. Now it's time to add cut shallots. Stir it for about 10 minutes or until it's cooked soft and transparent. Something like this. Once it is done, add the chicken to the pan and mix well with onion. And add half teaspoon of turmeric powder along with required salt. I added little more than half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Do not add water and allow it to cook nicely. Close the lid and cook for about 20 minutes. Keep checking in between and mix it so it's not burnt at the bottom. Allow all the water to dry out. Now sprinkle few fresh cilantro. Mix it well and switch off the stove. Now the spicy and tasty shallot chicken is ready to serve with any kind of rice, roti or with bread. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. For more interesting Indian recipes, please write to us. I will try to post as early as possible.